Hello everyone, my name is Ashwant, currently studying mechanical engineer from JNT Hyderabad. Currently I am in second year BTech, second semester, and my roll number is 23011800303. And today here I am going to explain MCB and ELCB in brief topic concept. And now, what is meant by MCB? MCB is nothing but miniature circuit breaker. You know, when there is a excess flow of current, huh, then there is a chance of to to get damage the appliances that is attached to load resistance. I mean that is the load to get damage to the load circuits. No, load circuits in the sense that appliances what we are using. I mean they may get damaged. Okay, this is to prevent that damage. This MCB is used. MCB is nothing but it is an automatic electrical switch designed to protect circuits from overload and short circuits. Okay, purpose is replaces traditional traditional fuses for safer and more reliable circuit protection. And the applications are used in protects wiring appliances in home appliances, electrical system industries, etc. Now we will talk about the working principle of MCB. There are two types of working principle in MCB, that is thermal tripping and magnetic tripping. Oh, wait, okay, okay. Thermal tripping and magnetic tripping. Thermal tripping occurs due to uh, if there is a flow extra, I mean if there is a more current is more current is passed through a wire, then the wire automatically gets heated up, and the region around the wire is also get heated up. Here, hmm, wait, I'll show you that picture. You'll get to know. Here, this is known as bimetallic strip. When excess amount of current is flowed through a wire, then it will get heated. The region around that will also get heated. Due to that, this bimetallic strip will expand due to heating. It is a property of bimetallic strip. Okay. Then if it gets heated, you know, it will be expanded. Like this. It will be expanded in this shape. When this expands in that shape, then automatically this strip bar, this edge will touches the trip bar, and if it moves like this, then this moves like this, and hence if this moves like this, then this moves like this or like this, then this ultimately the closer switch will become open switch, and hence there will be no flow of current. This prevents uh, the damage of the appliances used in load circuit. You know how the current is flowing in normal, the line like this, it will come like this. In this solenoid it will loop again like this, yep, like this it will go. Now this is a normal circuit. When it is tripped, it is a normal circuit. When it is get tripped due to this is due to thermal tripping, and there is one more tripping, right? This is magnetic tripping. This is nothing but solid plunger displaces mechanism. This is nothing but here you can see when the current is when the current flows, then if more excess of current is flows, if more current is flow, then the electric field generated around this solenoid will be also more. Due to that electric field, due to the influence of that electric field, this is a type of plunger which will attract to this electric field, And hence, if this moves like this, the same thing happens. If this moves like this moves like this, and ultimately the contact get open. The closed circuit will turn to open circuit. This is one type of mechanism, and this is another type of mechanism. Yeah, that is what. Okay, both the two types of mechanisms. They here thermal tripping and magnetic tripping. Thermal tripping is due to overload protection, and even magnetic tripping also overload. But if there is a short circuit, I mean to protect short circuit, this is. Mm, I mean, thermal tripping is it will not allow the current to flow or much current. I mean, if there is a over current is flowing, then most probably this thermal tripping will happen. If excess of current is flowing at a time, then it may leads to short circuit. Right? To protect that, this magnetic trip will help. This is the working of the MCB. Working of the MCB. This, I mean, here in MCB, what is happening, you get to know that. I mean, I have explained, right, how it is happening. That is the working principle of MCBs. And now ELCB, coming to the concept of ELCB. Here, ELCB is nothing but it is a earth leakage circuit breaker. Whenever there is a leakage of current in a circuit, then it should be directed to the ground so that no shock, current electrical shocks will happen to the person. Okay, so that's why this ELCB is used. ELCB kind of thing is used here. Okay. Now, purpose of this ELCB is to protect human from electrical shocks and prevent damages caused by ground faults. And the applications where this ELCB is used, in many wherever there is a wet area, in most commonly we will use in wet areas. It seems, I don't know, but anyhow, we are learning something. Hmm. The types and working of ELCB. There are two types of working. One is voltage operated and another is current operated. I am drawing something. One is voltage operated ELCB and another one is current operated ELCB. Voltage operated ELCB hmm, detects the voltage differences between the metal and equipment ground and operates when voltage exceeds at present level. I mean, if there is more voltage, then it will be. And current operated in a sense, it detects current imbalances between the phases and neutral wires. Uh, I'll let you show. I'll show that to you here. Now, current operated. First, we will discuss about the current operated ELCB. Current operated ELCB is also known as RCCB, that is residual current circuit breaker. Here, this is the source, this is phase, and this is neutral. If 1 ampere of current is flowing through this wire phase, it will go like this, and through solenoid, it will generate some electric field. Remember that it may generate X amount of electric field. The 1 ampere will go like this here, and in external load resistance, that 1 ampere will be used, and again it will be resent to the neutral like this. When this current is flowing, if it is 1 ampere and 1 ampere is coming, the magnetic field will be generated and the direction is determined by using right hand thumb rule. Then now we apply right and thumb rule here. If we apply, what happens? Current is same, but in opposite direction. But whatever the magnetic field is generated, they will get cancelled. You know, because you apply right and thumb rule, like this and like this, both cancels, and hence we can strictly say that there is no loss of current, leakage of current. There is no leakage of current. If there is a leakage of current, then the net electric field will never be zero. Remember that. Okay. If it is not zero, then it must be something. That something is going to be determined by this solenoid, relay trip mechanism solenoid. You know, this trip mechanism will turn off this main supply, and hence the leakage will come, leakage current will pass through this, um, will come out, will go to the earth. The leakage current will go through the earth, and this is the working principle of current ELCB. Now we will discuss about the voltage operated ELCB. Here, this is the voltage operated ELCB. Now we will discuss about this voltage operated ELCB. Here, now voltage operated ELCB works. Now through phase. For example, 1 ampere of current is entering. Then after the load, it is utilized that current, and again it has to go to this through this neutral back. If 1 ampere is entering, then 1 ampere should be leaving. Hence, there is no leakage of current. This is the ideal case. If there is a leakage of current, then this core will detect that leakage of current, and this will tell this relay that there is a leakage of current, and hence this relay will tell to the circuit breaker to break the circuit, and hence the excess amount of current will be passed to the ground, earth. This is how this voltage operated ESB works. This is single phase and this is three phase. The difference between single phase and three phase, here this all are incoming currents, and here this is outgoing. That means current in this circuit must be equal to this. R is red and Y means yellow and B means blue. This should be happened. The same here also, the working principle is same. Here also the working principle is same, that is the current, if there is a leakage of current, if this current, incoming current, is not equals to the current in the neutral, then there will be a leakage of current that is going to detect by this core, and this relay is nothing but this is voltage operated device, this relay voltage operated device, and hence this total circuit is known as voltage operated ELCB. And the comparison between MCB and ELCB, we have whatever we have seen above. The MCB protection type is, to protect. What is the use of MCB? Protection type to if there is a overload current is coming, excess of current is coming, then MCB will be turned off, so that it will be preventing to not to damage the appliances in the home. And ELCB is earth leakage circuits. This operating principle is thermal and magnetic tripping for MCB, and here current and voltage imbalance. The imbalance. Okay, the applications are circuit protection and human safety and fire prevention. Okay, both reset operations are manual. We have to go and lift the switch off. This is the comparison between, and conclusion is both MCB and LCB are essential in electrical sector safety to electrically safety purposes, and MCB protects circuits from overload and short circuits, while CLCB safeguards against earth and fall. Proper installation of ensures reliable protection for home and industries. This point means that we have to use this MCB and ELCB wherever which I mean it is required, so that no damage to the electrical appliances will be happened. This is the topic of MCB and ELCB. I have explained whatever the concept I have known. That's it. Finally, my name is Ashwant, and my roll number is 23011A0303. BTech second year, second semester, mechanical at Giant Hyderabad, Kukatpalli. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay.